Everyone, it's great to see you again at Wealthy Coins. The CEO of Shiba Inu revealed the exact rationale behind the covered price pump within 48 hours. As the price forms a U-shaped pattern rising and decreasing, a cup and handle appears in the first stage. The second stage is characterized by rapid sideways or downhill movement. Curiously, the price movement is based on a shared resistance level. When prices surpass the level of resistance, cup and handle patterns typically come to a close. After a 27% increase to 0.000016 on August 14, SHIB also followed suit. In this video, we'll go over the Shiba Inu CEO's 48-hour breakdown of the hidden pricing strategy. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more videos like this one, which features expert analysis and price predictions for Shiba Inu. The video needs to begin immediately. For the cup and handle breakout target, we measure the distance between the pattern's lowest point and the resistance line. Then we add this measurement to the breakout point. Thus, SHIB might head towards 0-2253, a 50% price rise by September. In essence, aside from a statistic showing an 825% rise in Shiba's burn rate in just one day, on August 14, there was a 27% intraday rise in Shiba Inu prices, but no clear reason why. Nonetheless, the burned SHIB is worth just over $4,500 anyhow. However, the Shiba Inu network has spent approximately $6.36 million on SHIB tokens during its lifetime. On top of that, the Shiba Inu rally happened over 10 days after Binance announced that their European payment cards would now support SHIB. The cryptocurrency exchange boosted SHIB's exposure in the emerging European market for cryptocurrencies in this way. Weak fundamentals may offset SHIB's technically optimistic bias though, since cup and handle setups only have a 61% chance of achieving their profit goals according to seasoned analyst Tom Bolkowski. After a failed cup and handle breakout and a pullback from the 200-day exponential moving average near 0.1755, SHIB may be aiming for an initial drop towards 0.1306, a 20% decrease from the price on August 14. Shiba Inu's cup and handle approach may not work due to the token's overbought daily relative strength index. Typically, a reading of 70 or lower on the relative strength index indicates a period of consolidation or decline, so this is quite intriguing. A possible bull run is on the horizon according to the latest signs of recovery in the cryptocurrency market. Skeptics still don't know what some Bitcoin assets will do in 2, 3, or even 5 years. Shiba Inu, a popular meme coin, is one such resource that will keep the community engaged for the long haul. The market capitalization of SHIB has already recovered to $7.5 billion thanks to a significant price increase on the charts. If SHIB closes tomorrow on a positive note, it will mark his fourth consecutive positive week. The final time a run like that happened was in late September 2021 when Shiba Inu finally hit its all-time high of 0.88. As of this writing, SHIB was trading at 0.00001549, representing a 23% increase over the previous day. The memo coin supporting SHIB army has been waiting for the Shiba Inu bull market to begin for some time. The spike mentioned above improved the atmosphere surrounding SHIB, which was more than 85% off its ATH just now. The bullish attitude is primarily caused by recent incidents involving Shiba Inu. With the release of Shibarium Layer 2 and the Shiba Inu financial ecosystem, the community is filled with optimism. The Shiba Inu network experiences congestion and high gas pricing much like Ethereum. All the more reason to look into Shibarium's launch, which aims to make transactions faster and cheaper. It is expected that the Shibarium public beta testnet would be launched this quarter. Meanwhile, the metaverse and the Shiba Inu NFT ecosystem are set to debut in Q4 2022. If whale statistics are to be believed, the top 2,000 Ethereum users have been actively shifting their holdings in major ways. The Shiba Inus contained by these whales are worth around $179.34 million as of August 13. There has been a notable change in these assets since August 3 when holdings surpassed 600 million. The market maker whales in this group seem to be losing faith as a result. Profits for SHIB investors have increased by a whopping 23.32% notwithstanding the whale issue. Today there was a noticeable spike in the MVRV ratio. Sentiment claims that this can also be used to shed light on the increasing fascination with Shiba Inu among traders who are just looking at the short term. Rising prices indicate quick returns, which has led to a sharp rise in the Shiba Inu RSI over the last 12 hours, which was trading above 90. This places the asset in an extremely overbought zone. A possible indication of an impending price hike could be this. Those who have invested in Shiba Inu can now relax and enjoy the ride. According to CoinMarketCap, it is the 15th biggest cryptocurrency. After the long-awaited Bomb Farms plan received a 97.88% majority vote in the Shiba Inu SHIB ecosystem on June 27, 2022, the Shiba Inu made waves in the cryptocurrency news. You can stake, farm for yield, trade and earn prizes with Bone, one of 4 tokens available. Along with the Shiba Swap LP token, the other two are the Shiba Inu and Lish. In July, the cryptocurrency markets experienced a small recovery. Ethereum gained momentum as a result of investors' expectations for the merger. The same held true for Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrency projects. Additionally, Shiba Inu showed signs of improvement. This didn't slow down SHIB's burn portal though. There was a destruction and transfer of 4.76 billion Shiba Inu tokens to the dead wallet in July. According to Shibrin, the 505 transactions are when the burns happened. Furthermore, 6.6 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned in a single transaction on August 1, during which the burning continued. Another transaction resulted in the burning of an additional 1.3 million tokens as recorded on the burn site. Also on August 1, 32 separate transactions were burned for a total of 216,487,442 SHIB tokens as recorded on the burn portal. It was unveiled in April. There are now less SHIB tokens in circulation because to the tireless efforts of the Shiba Inu burn gateway. Each token will hopefully become more expensive as a result of this. Nevertheless, the intended outcomes have eluded the endeavors. The price of the token has not been impacted by the fires as of this moment. The game's development is being done in collaboration with Playside Studios. Officially, the game will be available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store according to the business. On top of that, there will be a plethora of releases for the project this year. Many are eagerly anticipating the launch of Shibarium, their second layer. Another incentive token, Tree 8, will be introduced by Shiba Inu. Additionally, a stablecoin called SHIA will be introduced. Some have speculated that Shiba Inu's meteoric rise is related to Ethereum, the massive cryptocurrency that underpins kindred coins like Leash and Bone. After a major technical test was successfully completed, Ethereum engineers recently announced that a much-anticipated blockchain update could be available as early as mid-September. On Monday, the value of Dogecoin, another meme coin on the Ethereum network that is dedicated to dogs, surged by 2.5%, while the price of Ethereum itself increased by 1.6%. Breakouts in Dogecoin and Shiba Inu over the weekend are undeniable evidence that retail investors are making a comeback. Nevertheless, it is essential not to draw too many conclusions from the rise of the Shiba Inu, according to a Monday message from Hayden Hughes, CEO of the social